Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a tablescape for two, and it's going to be in a bee theme. Come on with me, guys. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Decorating with Bees, and I'm so excited. This is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Z9 Design, and Sonia down south. Now with this particular tablescape, since my tea set is already in a bee theme, so we're definitely going to keep that there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started decorating this table. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. So if I didn't say this before, the tea set was a thrifted item. What a great find that was with the bee theme. And these placemats right here, I did get them at the Dollar Tree, and look how beautiful they are. They do have some butterflies on them. I decided to go ahead and use these. Now these are Dollar Tree plates, and so these do have the bees on them. I also have the clear salad plate, and I'm using clear so that we don't cover the bees. But I think I got the whole set, but I can't seem to find the salad plate. But that's okay, because the clear dish helps you not to miss anything that's going on that plate, guys. Now the napkins, they were thrifted from the Goodwill. And then those ties, I just grabbed that from the Dollar Tree. And so this is definitely a budget-friendly tablescape, guys. Now that little candle box did come from the Dollar Tree, at least that's what I'm calling it. I placed the candle in there and I absolutely love it because it has a cover. I did get a little bit creative here, and I started to use some bee items that I saw at the Dollar Tree just to put on each end of the table, including one of the hangers, which made the table look absolutely gorgeous, guys. So now this Be Happy sign was like the perfect addition to this. I just went ahead and I just leaned that on right up against that little vase, and perfect. The entire table was bee theme and I am loving it. I hope that you guys like this tablescape as well. So now the glassware, okay, the water glasses were thrifted from the Goodwill, I believe. And then the wine glasses did come from the Dollar Tree. So once again, this was budget friendly. Now the flatware that I'm getting ready to put down, that came from Aldi, and I can't wait to go on over to the reveal. All right, so I think this table came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.